Hello friends, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily remove your old wallpapers on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put likes under the video and write your comments after watching. So let us get down to our topic today, friends. So, for this, you will need to swipe from the left side of your iPhone from top to bottom. To get to your screen, you're going to need to tap and hold on an empty field here. This will take you to the list of all the wallpapers that you have on your iPhone. You can also create new wallpapers here as per your wish. And let's say, in order to remove some of the wallpapers, you just have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and click on the trash can symbol. Then confirm that you want to remove that wallpaper. And as you can see, they will be deleted instantly. You can do the same with absolutely all wallpapers if you have a lot of them and you want to clear them. Then you go back to the wallpaper you had, or you select a new wallpaper. You click on it, swipe up, and that's how you set your wallpaper and you remove the old wallpaper. Friends, I hope you have seen how you can remove old wallpapers on iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, and write your comments. See you soon.